Hey guys, I'm super excited to show you this shoot today. I'm working with Tia, Domii and another photographer called Michael. So we did 3 looks in, to be honest, like just under 3 hours I'd say. And so I thought I'd just do a fun video to show you guys how varied the shoot was and how many different styles we managed to do in the time that we had. So I've done a few shoots now where I've worked with another photographer, and it is difficult to kind of get your head around, but I do really enjoy it, like especially when there's good vibes and it's pretty chilled. But at first you're kind of like, okay, so how do we split this? Like, are we just going to shoot the same thing at the same time? We found it easier for us to split up, and then when we wanted to do duo shots of the 2 girls, we kind of just took it in turns. And yeah, to be fair, it was pretty chilled. It worked out pretty great. So I actually managed to finesse a tennis racket from one of the guys that was playing next, so I'm super happy he was able to do that because these shots with the shadows are insane. Onto the pergola gardens, which are actually all within the same park. They're like 2 minutes from the tennis court. I do love these shots, but this is not my favorite style to shoot. I don't really like kind of parks and gardens, that kind of thing. Like, I don't know, I think I just gravitate more towards kind of urban areas and that sort of thing, but it's always good to kind of push yourself and try new things. We did get some really nice stuff with the flowers, and I think I was able to make it interesting for me in that way. And also Domii's dress just really works with this environment. So yeah, I do really like these shots. And lastly, we didn't have long because the girls had to go to another shoot that they were doing that day, so we only had a few minutes to get these. But I was like, guys, you have to trust me, let's just go to this spot, we'll take a few bits. And yeah, everyone loved it, it totally banged. I've actually shot here so many times already since moving into this area, but I just think it's so cool. So there's literally this little bit where all the rubbish from the flats just gets tipped to, and it just looks awesome. I don't know why, it just looks so edgy. And this time was perfect because there was some random barrel there and also a shopping cart. I've always wanted to do a shopping cart shot. I just think they look amazing. that's it. That's how we crammed 3 photo shoots in, well, yeah, less than 3 hours. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We got such good content from this shoot, so check the link in the description. Everything is in there so you can check all the high-res images. Also, the link to everyone's social media is in the description as well, so go and check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel because I'm making videos like this all the time. So there's so much more to come if you enjoyed this one. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.